Welcome to Let's Go English Brazil. This is not a classroom. This is real English, real conversations, real messages. Listen carefully.
Yesterday, the speech shocked the country, but what happened after the cameras turned off is what really matters. Because overnight, America started to change, and most people didn't even notice. The morning after the speech, everything felt normal. People went to work, kids went to school, coffee shops opened like always. Phones were ringing non-stop in Washington, emergency meetings were being scheduled, and something unusual was happening inside government buildings. Doors that were always open suddenly became closed. By midday, small changes started appearing. Government websites updated quietly, press conferences were canceled, officials stopped answering simple questions, and journalists began to notice the pattern. Not chaos, not panic, the kind of silence that makes people nervous. By the afternoon, the internet started connecting the dots. Search trends exploded. Hashtags started spreading. Videos analyzing the speech appeared everywhere. And when millions of people ask the same question, momentum begins. Then something unexpected happened. The markets reacted. Investors hate uncertainty. And uncertainty had just arrived. Stock charts have started moving. We're now going to breaking coverage.
Experts are beginning to speculate.
This is unprecedented. Not about what happened, but about what could happen. By the evening, people felt it. That strange feeling in the air. By the evening, people felt it. That strange feeling in the air. Nothing had officially changed.
But the reports suggest otherwise. What about the leaks?
No major announcement had been made. But everyone could feel it. Something had started. And once change begins, it rarely stops. And while the public was still debating the speech, inside Washington, plans were already moving forward. Because the speech was never the final message. It was the beginning. Tomorrow, the first real decision will be announced. And when it happens, everyone will understand why the speech mattered.
Subscribe now because episode 3 is coming. And this story is just getting started.